Today, we're talking about the neuroscience of life skills. So, modern adulting, how do neuroscience and life skills intersect? For years, life skills were often viewed as soft skills. Neuroscience suggests there's nothing soft about them. Yet they continue to be called soft skills in various countries around the globe. In fact, many of the life skills that determine success in work, relationships, and everyday life are directly connected to how the brain functions. Consider a few examples. Decision-making involves brain networks responsible for evaluating risks, rewards, consequences, and priorities. Emotional regulation relies on the brain's ability to manage emotional responses that come from the emotional center back here, the limbic system, sometimes known as the monkey brain, rather than simply react to them. Communication depends on attention, memory, perspective taking, and social processing systems. Problem solving requires cognitive flexibility, the brain's ability to adapt when circumstances change and during chaos and during uncertainty. Stress management involves understanding how the brain and the body respond to perceived threats and learning strategies to restore the balance between the brain and the body. In other words, life skills are not separate from the brain. They are expressions of how the brain operates. This is where neuroscience becomes especially valuable. When people struggle with a life skill, the issue is often not a lack of intelligence. It's frequently a matter of habits, experiences, emotional triggers, environmental factors, or neural pathways that have developed over time. Here's the good news. The brain is adaptable. Through neuroplasticity, the brain can create new connections, strengthen existing ones, and learn more effective patterns of thinking and behavior throughout life. This means life skills can be developed, not just in childhood, not just in school, but throughout adulthood, throughout your lifespan development line. This is very encouraging because many of us are still working on skills such as patience, time management, hard conversations, and remembering those passwords. The intersection of neuroscience and life skills offers a powerful reminder. People are not simply born with better coping skills or communication skills or leadership abilities. Many of these capabilities can be learned, practiced, and strengthened. The brain is just like a muscle. It needs practice. The future may belong not only to those with AI and technical expertise, but also to those who understand how their brains work and how to use that knowledge to build stronger life skills. Because the brain, because understanding the brain doesn't just help us understand human behavior better, it helps us to become better human beings. Thank you.